Good morning, good evening from wherever you are watching us. Thank you for joining us again in this tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to withdraw money from Skrill to your bank account. So to withdraw money from Skrill to your bank account, so at the top here is the balance, the name, and the logout. And then down here we have all the other details. So to pay online, you simply click on pay online and you can now complete the process here of registration. Then you add money and then you pay. So to buy and sell crypto, again with Skrill, you click on buy and sell crypto, and then you go through these 4 steps where you can explore Skrill. You complete your registration and then you add money, and then you are ready now to directly pay for crypto, either you buy or sell directly from your Skrill account. Now, to send money to your bank account, you'll click on the third option at the top here. And again, depending on your region, several details may change, and depending again on your account settings. So you click on send money at the top here, and then you notice now down here, we have these options. Number 1, you send instantly to anyone on Skrill. You simply link your card and send money to anyone with a Skrill account. In that case, you'll click on this first option, and again, it has the explore step, the registration step, and then you add the card, and then you are ready now to send money instantly to anyone on Skrill. If you scroll further down, you notice we have international money transfer. And with international money transfer on Skrill, you can send money from your bank or card to a bank account abroad. And in this case, there is no transfer fee, and there's also great exchange rate when you use Skrill. So you choose the option you want here, and in our case here, we want to transfer money from Skrill to bank account. So you'll click on get started down here, and that will be taking you to Skrill money transfer. So the first option here, you notice we have Skrill money transfer. You send direct to a bank account or mobile wallet, and you can pay for your transfer with a card or instant bank deposit. You can also withdraw from your account. You notice here you can withdraw money from your account here, withdraw your Skrill account balance to your bank account or credit card. And then the third one here, you can send to another Skrill account or email address. So we want to send direct to a bank account. So we select the first option. If you needed the second option, you could have selected that and click on continue to withdraw. And if you wanted to send this money to another person with a Skrill account, you click on send to another person with a Skrill account, and then you deposit money to your Skrill wallet. Then you choose the amount, and then you enter the email of the recipient, and then you just wait, and it will take just a few minutes, and then your money will be transferred. So we'll come to the top here and click on Skrill money transfer, where we are going to send direct to a bank account or mobile wallet. Then you fill in these details. You want to send money. In this case, it senses my account origin. It's from this country. And then it also senses the currency, but I can change all this. For instance, I want to send this in USD. So I can select USD there. Then here I can select the amount that I want to send. So in this case, I just want to send 1,200 USD. And then the country that is to receive this, they receive in, then you notice here it's in India. So I can choose which account will receive this. So again, I come to this side, they will receive in India, that is in Indian rupee. They can receive in Australian dollars. You choose the one that directly fits you here. So in this case, I'll choose Kenya so that the person can receive in Kenyan shillings. And you notice here, it gives us a limit. The most you can send now is 150, 147 Kenyan shillings. It means my account has a limit. So I'll come up here and then reduce this maybe to 1,000 so that I'm within the limit. And then I can now select here, deliver to. Now the country I've chosen here, Kenya, I can pay them using M-Pesa or debit card. So if I click on M-Pesa, I can choose the M-Pesa or I can choose the bank account. So I want it to go to the bank account. I'll click on bank account there. And then I want to pay with, is it a debit card or a credit card? So the debit card, $20, and then for the credit card, $30. So I choose the one that I want. And then you notice it gives you all the other details that you need here in terms of it should arrive up to 2 days. The fee charged here will be $20, and the total pay, whatever will be charged from my account, will be $10.20. You notice I'm sending 1,000, but I'll pay $1,020. That is the $20 is the charge, is the service charge. If we change the country here, for instance, if now I remove from Kenya and I put Bangladesh, for instance, you notice the details here will change. We have the Bcash, and if we click on that Bcash, you notice we have the Bcash or the bank account. So the bank account, regardless of the country that I'll choose here, will always be there. But you now notice, like for this country that I've chosen, Bolivia, they only have a bank account. Unlike other countries where now, for instance, the one that we had chosen for Kenya, we had several options here. We had M-Pesa and we had bank account. So depending on the country you are choosing here, you may have more options that they can receive. So in this case, I'll choose bank account, and then I'll pay with debit card. And the debit card here is cheaper because I'll only pay 20, and then if I choose the credit card, I'll pay 30. But now you notice in terms of time, should arrive up to 2 days for the debit card. If I choose the credit card there, you notice it's the same. It's up to 2 days, but the charge is higher, is $30. So if the arrival time is the same, let me just use the debit card. And then you'll then click on continue. And then you'll come and fill all the details here. Personal information, that is your date of birth, the country, the postal code, the city, the address, and then the country code, and then the country, the phone number, and they will send an SMS or a text to this phone number for verification purposes. So you fill that, and then you enter the promo or referral code if you have any, and I'd advise you to use my referral code, and that link and the link to Skrill is available in the description of this video. So if you have that, you add it there. So after you've filled in all those details, you click on continue, and then your details, now you'll receive a code verification in the phone number that you registered, and then you'll enter the code, and then your money. You'll get to the next part where you'll fill the recipient details, and the recipient details will also almost be the same, their phone number, the name, and their details. And then of course you'll put a bank account, and then the summary, and then you will go to the next step for payment. Then you will click on complete. So if you want to edit anything in the process, you don't have to click back because all the details you added will be removed. If you want to change anything, you notice our summary is given here. You can always click on edit. That is simply how you can withdraw money from Skrill to bank account. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.